Urdu alphabet looks impossible, right? Too many dots, too confusing? Not anymore. In just a few minutes, I'm breaking down this essential Urdu letter step by step. You'll learn how to write it, recognize it, and actually use it in real words. Ready? Let's go. Hello and welcome. Today, you are not just learning letters, you are building a strong foundation in Urdu. Today's letter is rare, elegant, and powerful. This letter is J. If you master this letter, you are mastering advanced Urdu. Please look at the whiteboard. This letter is written as J. In English, this sound is written as J, like the sound in measure. Repeat after me. J. Very good. Once again, J. Please focus on the whiteboard. Now, I will show you how to write the Urdu letter J. Watch my hand carefully. We will write it slowly and correctly. First, draw the basic shape of the letter Z. Start from the top, move gently down, and finish with a smooth curve. Good. Now stop for a moment. Above this shape, add 3 small dots. The dots are very important. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. This complete letter is J. Remember, the shape is like Z, but the 3 dots make it J. Now repeat after me. J. Very good. Practice writing this letter slowly, and always remember the 3 dots. Many learners confuse J with Z, but you will not. You are learning slowly, clearly, and professionally. Our first word is jaj. Repeat slowly. Jaj. Excellent. Jaj means meaningless or useless talk. Urdu sentence. ये सब बातें सिर्फ जाज हैं. Repeat once more. Jaj. Now observe this word. Jerf. Repeat. Jerf. Very good. Jerf means deep or profound. Urdu sentence. इस किताब में जर्फ ख्यालात मौजूद हैं. Repeat again. Jerf. Our next word is julida. Repeat carefully. Julida. Excellent. Julida means messy or untidy, often used for appearance. Urdu sentence. Uske baal julida the. Repeat once more. Julida. Now, look at this compound word. Jalabari. Repeat slowly. Jalabari. Very good. Jalabari means hailstorm. Urdu sentence. Kal shadid jalabari hui thi. Repeat again. Jalabari. Our final word is job. Repeat confidently. Job. Excellent. Job is the name of a place in Pakistan. Urdu sentence. Job बलूचिस्तान का एक खूबसूरत इलाका है. Repeat once more. Job. Now let us revise together. Jal, Jerf, Julida, Jalabari, Jub. Excellent pronunciation. Now repeat with me. Je से जाश, je से जर्फ, je से जुलीदा, je से jalabari, je से jo. Practice these words daily. Speak slowly and clearly. Urdu is beautiful, and you are learning it the right way. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next lesson.